Hello everyone. Today we shall talk about factory design pattern. It is one of the most popular and widely used design pattern. Also one of the mostly asked design pattern in interviews. It provides a way to create objects without exposing the creation logic to the client. Instead of creating object directly using the new keyword, you refer to a factory method to get the desired object. Don't get confused by the definition. We will understand this definition through a practical example. Factory design pattern, it defines an interface for creating objects, but lets subclasses decide which type of object to create. Let's understand it with the help of a code example. Imagine we are building a notification system where we can send notification through email, SMS, or push notification, right? Depending on the notification type, the system should generate the appropriate object dynamically at runtime. First of all, we create an interface called iNotification. We define a method notify. This is our interface that all notification type will implement. It contains a single method notify to send a message. Now we create three classes: email notification, SMS notification, and push notification. All these classes will implement this interface and provide their specific implementation of the notify method. So I add the classes. Okay, we have created our three classes. Okay, all of these classes will implement iNotification interface and provide their specific implementation of the notify method.
Okay, we have implemented notify method of iNotification.
Interface. So now we provide specific implementation of this method for each class. Okay, now comes the exciting part. Let's create our notification factory class. This factory class will be responsible for creating object of push notification, SMS notification, or email notification, depending upon the input provided. Go to add class notification factory. Okay, inside this factory class, we will create notification method. Now, based on the input type, it will create and return the appropriate notification object. This logic is encapsulated within the factory, right? So the client doesn't need to know
The type of object being created because factory class will be responsible for this.
Okay, we are done creating with our factory class and its create notification method. Okay, now let's write the client code where we will use this notification factory to create different notification types. So let's write a code to ask user to provide an input, for example, email, SMS, or push, and based upon the provided input of the user, we shall create notification type. We read the user input and pass this input to our notification factory create notification method. Make this method static so that it is accessible using the class. As we are providing the user input to this method, so now this method will return appropriate notification based upon the input, and we call notify method of this object. Let's run the program and test it out. Okay, so we provide input, for example, email, and see what is the output. See, sending email notification. This is test notification. Let's provide this time provide SMS. Okay, so based upon provide input, we are getting appropriate notification type. For example, sending SMS notification. Now provide push. Okay, so now this time we are getting sending push notification.
Okay, now we have covered factory design pattern. So you must have idea why we use factory design pattern to encapsulate object creation logic, right? And to promote loose coupling between client classes and the classes they instantiate, because client now doesn't need to know which type of class it's going to create. Factory is responsible for this and to follow the open close principle of solid design principles, meaning the code is open for extension but closed for modification.
I hope this example helped you to understand this real world use case and its implementation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like it, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments which design pattern you want me to cover next. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.